আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার্স, এই মুহূর্তে আমি আছি মিডল ইস্ট এডোবিটি বালকার আমার রিঅ্যাকশন অফিসে। আমি এখন কথা বলবো আমাদের একজন রিঅ্যাকশন সিস্টেমের স্টার ডায়মন্ড ফ্রম ফিলিপিনে দুবাইতে বসবাস করতেছেন। সে আমাদের লেডি ইনশাল্লাহ তিনি কেন করতেছেন, কীভাবে করতেছেন সে বিষয়গুলোর সাথে কথা বলবো। হাই, হাউ আর ইউ ম্যাম? Good morning, Jackson. My name is Khundokar Mohammad Fakul Islam Shuman, Jackson System Star Diamond. So I will ask you something about Jackson. Why we are do Jackson? Can you tell me for the information, please, for our views?
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all part of the world. So my big why I'm in Jackson is, for me first is health, because I was very sick before. I have this diabetes. I have a lot of disease in me. Though the DXN product is not a medicine, but
Yes.
it has a very strong and very high medicinal value. And the good thing is, it's a superfood
Yes.
in our cells. That's why I love the products. Then since 2010 until today, I'm using the DXN product. So it was very good relief from my disease. I was free from the maintenance from the doctor, because I'm using massive of the product of the DXN, like Ganoderma, reishi mushroom, spirulina, moringa juice. These three are the that will help our immune system stronger, and especially Ganoderma will help to detox.
That means
whatever.
this product is good for health and
Yes.
have very health benefit.
Yes.
Okay, understand. And how to your income source income increase from this platform?
Of course, because immediately when you decide to use the product, and you decide to be part of the DXN company, immediately you can avail 25% discount instantly whatever product you want to buy. That's one of the earning already, 25 discount percent. Plus every product that we use, like for example, you cannot live without toothpaste. We have Ganushi paste. Sabon or soap, we have Ganushi soap. Shampoo, lotion, from the things when you wake up in the morning, there's you need those things, no? You wash your face, you brush your teeth. We have that. This is a grocery. This is a general use for everybody that you cannot live without. Coffee and all those products has a discount, has a cashback, has a points value that you have to earn from it.
Right. Thank you so much, madam, for kind of information give me, and thank you so much.